Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Last above lectures, we have to most discuss the very important topic of the chapter determinant, that is the Cramer's rule of three equations with three variables. We have to take the example based on that Cramer's rule of three equation with three variables, but it is the formation is totally different from the our xyz variable. Instead of that, which variable we have to use? Let us check the example based on that. But to further proceed further the example solving, we have to most focus our system. The solution for the system a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d. The solution of this system is given by x is equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy by d, and z is equal to dz upon d. But evaluate the d and dx, dy and dz. We have to must take the determinant of that all the given system of equation. How? Let's try for the d. D means what? The coefficient of x, y and z variable a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. I write here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. Be careful, d not equal to 0. Now dx. In this dx derivation, we have to most clear about that. Instead of the coefficient of x variable a1, a2, a3, we have to most put d1, d2, d3, and the remaining columns, that means the coefficient of y and z must be remain same. That's our b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Now this trick is applicable to dy also. For dy we have to have the dt, that is the determinant format. That is instead of the coefficient of y variable, we have to put d1, d2, d3. So we have to put d1, d2, d3. And the remaining coefficient of the x and z variable remain as the same. That's one a1, a2, a3, c1, c2, c3. That's we have to derive the dy. Now our last but not least dz. Now in a dz we have to must is put the coefficient of z variable, that is c1, c2, c3. Instead of these variable coefficient d1, d2, d3 we have to put. So I put d1, d2, d3 and remaining coefficient of x and y remain same, that is a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. After expanding the determinant of order 3 by 3, that is find the value of order 3 by 3, we have to put in the formula x equal to dx upon d, y is equal to dy by d, and z is equal to dz upon d. Be careful that always d not equal to 0, that is negative or positive number, but it is always greater than 0. Okay, let's practice makes progress. That is our slogan. So we have to must focus on the example of another pattern. The voltages in electric circuit are related by following equation. In previous example, we have to take the example have the variable x, y and z and their coefficient are any constant, and right hand side the constant are given by d1, d2, d3. But instead of x, y, z variable, they given the voltage v1, v2, v3. Only three variables. Their coefficient are 1 where it is minus 1. So we have to define that it is v1, v2, v3, v1 minus v2 plus v3, v1, v2 minus v3. Our check out the first step that must be three variables have available in any one of the equation and at least three of the equation. Then constant must be in a right hand side. So we have to form the d easily by these taking coefficient of v1, v2, v3. We have to find the value of v1, v2, v3. So let us start from d. The coefficient of v1 in the three system of equation, that is 1 1 1, I should write here, then 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 1, 1 1 minus 1. So simplifying these, the evaluate the 3 by 3 order determinant, that is we have to keep the first row and first column is as a fix. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 1 into 1, 1, middle is minus, so it is remain as the same. Always in a second step, minus 1 is there. So why we have to take the first row and second column center element is 1. That's why we have to allot the 1 here with minus sign. Because the second term is always negative in 3 by 3 order determinant. So we have to skip the first row and second column. So what is remaining? Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 1 into 1, minus 1. Next, first row and last column, center of that first row and last column is 1, so we should write it is positive, plus 1. So in the bracket we have to take the multiplication, skipping first row and last column, skip. So 1 minus 1 1 1, 1 ones are 1, and 1 into minus 1 minus minus plus 1. Be careful, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into anything is 0. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. We derive the answer of D is 2. To find dx, instead of dx here, d1 is the first variable. So we should write d1, dv1 is equal to, instead of the now v1, we have to put the constant 9 3 1. 1 minus 1 1, 1 1 1. That is coefficient of y and z remain as the same. So we have to put 9 first row and first column, keep minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 1 into 1 minus 1. Next first row and now second column. Is it right? 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 1 into 1 minus 1, because middle is minus. And we have to take the minus 1 outside the second term. First row and last column, center of the first row and last column is 1. We have to write here 1. Remaining terms are 3 minus 1, 1, 1. So 3 into 1, it is obviously 3, and it is 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So I should write here the correct answers, that is 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4, and 3 plus 1, that is obviously 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. We have to not done such mistake. Okay, be careful about that. Now dv2, 2 instead of x, now we have to complete dv1. Instead of y, now v2 is the variable. So we have to put, instead of v2 column 9 3 1, instead of the 1 minus 1 1. So that's why 1 1 1 fix, 9 3 1, 1 1 minus 1. We have to now to define the dv2. So we allot first row and first column. 1 is remain as same. 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 1 into 1 minus 1. First row, second column, middle is minus 9. So we have to take 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 1 into 1, that is minus 1, because middle is minus. Next plus 1 is there. So we have to skip the first row and last column, skipping. So 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 3, minus 3. So we have to simplify, minus 3 into minus 3 minus 1, minus 4 into 1, minus 4. Minus 1 minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 9, that is plus 18. And 1 minus 3 minus 2, minus 2 into 1 minus 2. So final answer is minus 4 minus 2, it is minus 6. 18 minus 12, that is 6. No, it is 12. Now next, dv2. The v2 we completed, dv3 is there. So in this example, 119, why? Because last column is v3. So instead of the v3 coefficient, we have to put 931. Remaining procedure is same. We have to skip the first row and first column as it is. So minus 1 into 1, we have to take minus 1. 1 into minus 3, it is minus 3. Next, first row and last column. So that is, we have to skip the first row and second column. 1 is minus 1. So we have to take 1 into 1, 1, and 1 into 3, minus 3. Last is not least, first row, last column, we have to multiply 1 into 1, 1, and 1 into minus 1 minus minus plus 1. So 9 remain as the same. Minus 1 minus 3, it is the minus 4 into 1 minus 4 is remaining. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 2. 2 into 9 18. So we derive the final answer is 16. Then by Cramer's rules, V1 is equal to dV1 upon d. The 8 upon 4 is 2. V2 is equal to dV2 upon d is equal to 12 upon 4 is equal to 3. V3 is equal to dV3 upon d is 16 upon 4 is equal to 4. The solution is V1 is equal to 2, V2 is equal to 3 and V3 is equal to 4. In this way, you have to solve I1, I2, I3 are given. We have to, that is current symbol is also given. That's they have to solve easily by this way. So we have to take the next example. Using Cramer's rule, solve the system of equation x minus 3y plus 7z equal to 13, x plus y plus z equal to 1, x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 4. We have to merge them and we have to compare all the coefficient and put in the values. So we have to derive a1, b1, c1. I derive direct values. You have to must remind the steps are right or not. You have to must note down that thing. Next, very important, show that the Cramer's rule does not apply to the following system. We have to take the 2x minus 3y plus 4z equal to 10, 6x minus 9y plus 12z equal to 24, x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 5. We need to show that d is equal to 0. Expanding about the column number 1, d is given. Coefficient of x, y and z, 2 minus 3, 4, 6 minus 9, 12, 1, 2, minus 3. We have to take the first row and first column. So 2 is there. So minus 9, 12, 2 minus 3. Because we have to skip the first row and we have to skip the 9. This column. First row, column and first row. And we have to skip now minus minus plus. So we have to take the, here in this method they take the column fixing. We study that is. So we have to skip the minus 6 is there. So what is the remaining then? We have to skip the second row and the first column. So what is remaining? So minus 3, 4 and 2 minus 3. And now we have to keep the one, that is the first row, last row we have to skip, and first column we have to skip the minus 3, 4, minus 9, 12. Simplifying, we derive 2 into 3 minus 6 into 1 plus 1 into 0 equal to 0. 3 2s are 6 minus 6 plus 1 equal to 0. That means if the any system given d value is 0, so you have to not find the value of x, y and z. So that's why since d is equal to 0, Cramer's rule does not apply. In these slides, we have to must take the, let the A is the coefficient or matrix of the system. Ax plus by plus cz equal to j, dx ey plus fz equal to k, gx plus hy iz cube. In this way, we have to solve the determinant of the Cramer's rule. How? Determinant of A not equal to 0. Then x is equal to determinant of A is ADG, BEH, CFI. Now, instead of x, dx, we have to find directly, we have to put the dx value. Dx value is what? Instead of the column first, j, k, l is substitute, b, e, h remains same, c, f, i remains same. Next, we have to continue, that's the determinant of s remains same. Same trick apply for here also. A, d, g is same, j, k, l is same, c, f, i is same. Next, z is equal to a, d, g, b, e, h, j, k, l. Because instead of the coefficient of z, we have to substitute c, f, i. Instead of the coefficient b, e, h, we have to substitute j, k, l also. So we have to take this method also is applicable to that one. Our homework time, you have to must note down the practice example for this. And textile industry sell 3 brands B1, B2, B3, Pakistan, Egypt, American, ratio they given, and you have to solve the cost is, find this example by the Cramer's rule.